We think everyone is watching us, judging our car, our watch. But they're too busy worrying about their own spotlight to notice yours. You aren't buying a $1,200 phone because the camera is 10% better. You rebuying it because you're afraid of what a green text bubble says about your bank account. That new car smell only lasts about 3 months. The 5-year loan lasts 60. Once we get the thing, it becomes the new baseline, and we need something bigger to feel that same rush again. We compare our behind the scenes to the highlight reels of billionaires, an unwinnable game. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not bought, the diamonds not purchased. Stop trying to be rich and start focusing on being wealthy. One is a performance. The other is a reality. Your current struggle is just the setup for your greatest comeback. Hit that subscribe button to join our community of dreamers and overcomers. Don't let your fire go out. Let's grow together.